Ever felt trapped? Like you're stuck in a financial product that just doesn't suit your needs anymore? Maybe it's a high-fee credit card, a savings account with dismal interest, or, in today's case, an EQbank account you no longer use. We've all been there. And while opening accounts is usually a breeze, closing them can sometimes feel like navigating a bureaucratic maze. Today, we're cutting through the complexity and showing you exactly how to close your EQbank account online, quickly and painlessly. Now, before we jump into the step-by-step process, let's talk about why you might want to close an account in the first place. It's not always a matter of dissatisfaction. Sometimes, your financial situation changes. Perhaps you've consolidated your savings into a different institution, or you're simplifying your banking setup. Maybe you're moving abroad and no longer need a Canadian bank account. Or perhaps you've found a better interest rate elsewhere. Whatever the reason, it's important to know how to close your accounts efficiently. Leaving unused accounts open can sometimes lead to inactivity fees or even become a security risk. EQbank, known for its high-interest savings accounts and no monthly fees, is a popular choice for many Canadians. However, circumstances change, and sometimes it's time to move on. The good news is that EQbank makes the closing process relatively straightforward, and you can do it entirely online. First things first, before you even think about closing your account, ensure you've taken care of a few crucial details. This is where many people stumble, so pay close attention. Number 1, zero out your account balance. This is absolutely essential. You can't close an account with a positive or negative balance. Transfer any remaining funds to another account of yours, whether it's with EQbank or another institution. If you have any pending transactions, wait for them to clear before transferring the remaining balance. Number 2, cancel any pre-authorized payments or direct deposits linked to your EQbank account. This is incredibly important to avoid missed payments or disruptions to your income. Think about any recurring bills, subscriptions, or payroll deposits that are going into or coming out of your EQbank account. Contact the relevant companies or institutions and update your banking information with your new account details. This might involve changing information with your employer's payroll department, your utility companies, or any online services you subscribe to. Number 3, download or save any important statements or transaction history you might need for your records. Once your account is closed, you won't have online access to these documents. It's always a good idea to keep digital or physical copies of your financial records for tax purposes or future reference. Now that we've covered the pre-closing checklist, let's get into the actual process of closing your EQbank account online. Unfortunately, EQbank doesn't offer a direct close account button within their online banking platform. This is a common point of confusion. Instead, you need to contact their customer service team to initiate the closure. There are two main ways to do this, through secure messaging within your EQbank account or by calling them directly. Let's start with the secure messaging option, which is often the most convenient. Log into your EQbank account online. Look for a Contact Us, Help, or Secure Messaging section. The exact wording might vary slightly, but it should be easy to find. Once you're in the secure messaging portal, compose a new message stating your intention to close your account. Be clear and concise. For example, you can write something like, I am writing to request the closure of my EQbank account number. I have already ensured that the account balance is 0 and have canceled all pre-authorized payments and direct deposits. Including your account number is crucial to expedite the process. After sending the message, keep an eye on your inbox for a response from EQbank. They might ask for further verification or confirmation before proceeding with the closure. The second option is to call EQbank's customer service line. You can find their phone number on their website. When you call, be prepared to verify your identity by providing information like your account number, date of birth, or other personal details. Once you've been verified, inform the representative that you wish to close your account. They will guide you through the necessary steps. Regardless of whether you choose secure messaging or phone contact, EQbank will typically process your account closure within a few business days. You will usually receive a confirmation email or message once the closure is complete. Now, a couple of important points to remember. First, if you have multiple accounts with EQbank, such as a savings account and a TFSA, you'll need to specify which account you want to close. If you want to close all your accounts, make sure to state that clearly. Second, if you have a joint account, all account holders will need to agree to the closure. EQbank might require signatures or verbal confirmation from all parties involved. Third, even after your account is closed, it's a good idea to keep an eye on your email or physical mail for any final statements or correspondence from EQbank. This is just a precautionary measure to ensure everything has been finalized correctly. Closing a bank account might seem like a daunting task, but with the right information and a little preparation, it can be a smooth and stress-free process. By following these steps, you can confidently close your EQbank account online and move on to your next financial chapter. Remember to zero out your balance, cancel pre-authorized payments, save your statements, and contact EQbank through secure messaging or by phone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.